the surprise guest today. This is my sister.
I'm Erin.
You look like that. You look similar to
I look like
With a men's t-shirt.
Me too. Or no, mine's women.
Mine's in Northwood Middle School.
You see SHA? No. But
my
she's the only one wearing makeup.
I wear a little.
That one.
Naturally, this beautiful.
Cover up. See, I'm not totally disgusting.
Okay. Ow, you just like hit my ear. Stop.
That was a really nice face. Ready, 1, 2, 3, weird face.
We're gonna do like some cool sounds. So it's like, all right, ready? Let's make like a weird face, and then we'll add like a sound to it.
Okay.
Ready? Set. Weird face number 1. Go.
Okay. Weird face number 2. Weird face number 3.
That's nice.
Okay.
Weird face
number 4. Weird face number 5. Number 6. Okay, and now we're gonna add sound to it in a little bit.
Where's the Joker? Where's the Joker? I'm gonna cut you with my toenails.
I'm not wearing any undergarments. I'm not wearing any undergarments. Nick, stop. Stop. Be quick.
We'll put you on a... Oh, you just got her like in the eyeball.
What the heck? Get some. Get some.
Hey, give me the pillow.
Please, I'm really sore.
Raise your
And
hand.
my head hurts.
Say my name's
My name's Christina. That's what I thought.
There's nothing you can do that can't be done.
She tortures me.
Peace out.
We're leaving now.